What's up, YouTube, and welcome to some soccer physics. Whoa, my voice is very down. Something. Yes. So yes, let's play. It's better. It's best out of 5. Oh, wow, I suck so much. Please let me win some matches. Oh no! Yes. 1-1. Oh shit! What? No. Whee! Oh no! Oh! What an own goal. So I tried to record 2 Survival Games videos, but then I found out that it didn't record the micro screen because I pressed I don't know uh, F F11 and then it didn't record the screen. So yes, that was not a good idea. So yes, boom. Please. Oh, what? No, for free. Please. I thought I was the red one. Oh, 4-4. The final point win. American football. Woo! So let's go. Please. Come on. No, I lost. And that's coming balls already. Not the nasty balls, but the balls. Yes. We take 2 rounds more and then I will cut the video, I think. Okay, let's go. Boom! No! No, I suck. I suck so much. Please, no! Oh my god. I'm so bad at this game, so please! No, no! Why me? Oh, what a save! No. Not so good. Oh, he's slipping in American football. That's a rare one, is it? I don't know, but I don't know, somehow. Oh my god, I'm down for. Oh no, yes. Oh yes, 4-1. So now now I think I got a tactic for this game. So if I do this and then boom 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 boom, then I lose. So this is the one. Let's try again. Please. Please. Wait. Go! No. Of course not. What? Boom! Please let me score! Oh my god. Why slipping all the time? Out of bounds. Oh my god. It's Brazilian versus USA. Like the Copa America where Chile won against Argentina in the final in penalties. So yes. And then the Euros where Iceland beat England, so it's actually pretty good because Iceland they are not, I don't think they are so good, but they are still in good team. So yes. Oh my god, 4-2. Oh, beach ball. I lost again. Okay, I will not stop this recording before I won in game. So let's do this. Boom. Oh, I'm really concentrating right now, so things don't say anything. How is that not going in? But not my problem. Oh, good. Defend. Yes. Oh my god, it's really hot. Look at that goalkeeper just jumping around. No. Oh my god. This. I think I have set them on harder. Oh, 1-0. 1-1. Please. Oh my god. Wait a second. Let me see some settings. Yes, I will try this. Oh, what's that? Oh, I can control the both of them now. So okay, let me send the buttons. I was spam. Yes! 1-1. Okay, it's peaceful. I wait till he make a move, and then I will break, kick it. What a goal! Oh, headless. Fuck. Please score. Let's make our own goal. Make our own goal. What? Back heel. Oh no, I forgot that. It is. Oh, what a kick! Please go. Okay, I will do this. Then boom, and boom. Oh, ooh. Please. No. Oh shit. Oh no. Come on. Ella, come on, please. Yeah. 4-1. It is the round where we win. No. No. Oh my god. Oh, go. I won, guys. I fucking won. Yes, this is best day of my life, man. I won the fucking. Look at all the beach balls coming down. So, yes. I will see you next time.